Hi, this is Zoe from Carepatron. Before you watch this video, don't forget to like and subscribe for more content like this. A drug and alcohol evaluation, often known as a substance abuse evaluation, is a specialized assessment designed to determine whether an individual is experiencing issues related to the consumption of substances, including alcohol and drugs. Performed by trained healthcare professionals, these evaluations are pivotal in identifying, diagnosing, and addressing problems stemming from substance abuse. These comprehensive evaluations typically involve a thorough review of an individual's substance use history, personal and family medical history, social factors, and any potential legal issues related to their substance abuse. The results of a drug and alcohol evaluation play a critical role in shaping a person's treatment plan. The objective, detailed information gathered through this process helps healthcare providers make a formal diagnosis, if appropriate, and tailor a targeted intervention strategy. To use our drug and alcohol evaluation, follow these steps. Download our drug and alcohol evaluation from the Carepatron platform, which you can find in the link in the description. Firstly, gather basic information, including the individual's details such as name, age, occupation, and the reason for referral. Collect detailed historical data about the individual, including a family history of substance use, medical history, mental health history, and more. Delve into the details of the person's history with drugs and alcohol, including the types of substances used, frequency, and patterns of use. Assess the consequences of substance use on the individual's physical and mental health, relationships, and work. Identify the factors contributing to substance use and the elements that help resist or recover from substance abuse. Where applicable, this includes drug tests or alcohol breath tests. Based on the gathered data, a diagnosis is made according to the DSM-5 or similar. Propose treatment interventions based on the gathered data. Here is a sample of our drug and alcohol evaluation, which you can find on our Carepatron platform. To find our drug and alcohol evaluation, go to our Carepatron platform or click on the link in the description. In our template section, we have a variety of templates and worksheets for you to use with your patients. You can filter or type in the keywords to find the worksheet. Thank you for watching our video at Carepatron. If you enjoyed this video, give us a like. If you would like to see more videos like these, subscribe to our Carepatron channel or click on one of our recommended videos.